Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Ways to make hair grow faster. According to experts, getting Rapunzel-like strands is no easy feat. Ask anyone who's gobbled down countless biotin pills and vitamin E supplements only to be greeted with the same lackluster strands. On average, hair grows roughly half an inch each month, adding up to about 6 inches per year. With plenty of natural and over-the-counter treatment options, achieving the hair of your dreams doesn't have to feel so far-fetched. Just remember, there isn't an ingredient or method that can actually make your hair grow faster from the root. Here are 7 ways to make your hair grow. Number 1. Avoid over-shampooing. Rumor has it that over-shampooing can lead to broken, dry, and brittle locks, due to the cleanser stripping the hair of its natural oils. Thicker, coarser hair types can get away without washing their hair for a few days, while thinner hair types may find their hair feels greasy even after one day. Number 2. Limit heat styling. You probably know this already, but any hairstylist will tell you the most obvious way to help your hair grow faster is to ditch your routine of hot tools. Blow dryers and styling irons can certainly damage your hair by making it dry and brittle, which can lead to breakage and shorter hair length. If you're trying to grow your hair, I recommend air drying your hair and avoiding any heat tools. Number 3. Avoid smoking. Smoking is a personal choice, and we're not here to judge, but we'd be lying if we said the act doesn't affect your hair in some way. Smoking restricts blood flow to the scalp and follicles, which, in turn, restricts the vital oxygen and nutrients that your hair and scalp need to be healthy. Also, the toxins from smoking can seep into the hair follicles and cause disruption. Number 4. Do a hot castor oil treatment. First of all, castor oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties to help combat scalp infections that prevent your hair from growing. It's filled with omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, proteins, and other nutrients that can penetrate your parched strands and seal your hair shaft to retain moisture. Number 5. Check your medications. There are many prescription medications that are known to be associated with hair loss. Some of the commonly prescribed categories of drugs that can exacerbate hair loss include antihypertensives, cholesterol or statins, hormone replacements like thyroid, birth control, testosterone, and certain antidepressants. Number 6. Try an egg yolk mask. There are things we can do to stimulate a higher percentage of hair follicles in the scalp, which will keep more hair in the growing phase and make your head of hair thicker, healthier, and fuller. Unsurprisingly, this makes how you treat your hair crucial to natural hair growth. If your hair breaks before it gets past your shoulders, an egg yolk mask will be your savior. Eggs contain lecithin and protein, which strengthen, nourish, and heal your strands. Their high sulfur content might even help with dandruff. Number 7. Give yourself a scalp massage. We spend so much time and money piling on hair product that it's easy to forget where hair grout start, namely your scalp. Like good quality soil is essential to growing healthy plant and flower. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair grout. A scalp massage has beneficial effects on stress hormones, blood pressure, and heart rate. A simple way to stimulate hair growth at home is to give yourself a scalp massage. This will increase blood flow to your scalp, enhance the strength of your roots, and help nutrients get to your follicle faster. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.